Hello students, in this video we will discuss chapter 2 working with Windows for class 6. So let us start. Here we know that Windows is an operating system in which many types of the software are there, and here as we do the settings in our Android mobile, we go in the settings, we do the open the any application and we change the setting. Likewise here in the computer system, when Windows is operating system is installed, we can change the settings using the control panel, right? So if someone asks what is control panel is an utility software by which we can change the settings of the computer here. So what is the definition of control panel here? A control panel is in Windows is utility software that allows a user to change the settings of the hardware and software in computer system. This is the definition of computer system. This is the definition of control panel. It is a utility software of Windows which allows user to change the setting of the hardware and software, right? And how will we do this? When we start the computer is on, then when we click on the start, many menus, many options appear. Among them there is the control panel, right? When we click on the start, many options appear. Among them there is a control panel, right? When we click it, control panel window appear in which many things are there, and by clicking on them we can another windows appear by which we can change the settings of the things, right? So here using control panel, when we click on the start button of the desktop window, many options appear. Among them control panel is there, and then we click on the control panel and then control panel window appear in which many options are there, many things are there, and we can select anything and we can change the setting. There are many things here. You can see action center, backup store, credential manager, desktop display, right? Here when you will scroll down, here date and device manager, etc. Many types of the things are there. When you will scroll down, other option will appear like personalize and so many things, mouse, etc. Right? When you will click, the related window will appear and we can change the settings. Now here we will discuss how to change the settings of the mouse. So mouse setting, the mouse option is in a control panel is used to configure the mouse according to the user's requirement. It means what? First of all we will go to the control panel. How will we do this? First of all we will click on the start button, then we will click the control panel from the options, and when we scroll down, the mouse option appears on which you will click, and then the mouse property window will appear like this. And here many tabs are there: button, pointers, pointer options, wheel, and so many things. Using this we can change the settings of the mouse. Here button, here there are many things. When you click on this, primary and secondary buttons are switched. It means the left click becomes right click and right click becomes left. And here by dragging this slow and fast, we can increase the sensitivity or the speed of the mouse. Here turn on, when we click on this, the turn on click lock is option is used. The turn on click lock allows us to drag or highlight without holding down the mouse button, right? So when we click on this, we can do this setting. After that we will have to do OK when desired setting are done. Or otherwise, if you want to change the setting of pointer, when we click on the pointer tab, many options appear here. By this we can change the shape of the pointers, right? And after that we can after changing the settings, here from this we can scroll down. Here we can select any type of the pointer, and then we can click on OK. Here many things. Enable point shadow, it means when we use this, shadow will appear, right? Here many settings are there, and we can select the type of the pointer here, and after that we can do OK or apply, right? Here another tab is this wheel. When we click on the wheel, here we can control the number of the line which can be covered in single rotation. And after that, here pointer options are there. After that, here pointer options is there. This allows us to control the speed of mouse pointer and its visibility, and we have already discussed about the wheel. So using these things we can change the settings of the mouse, right? It means first of all, click on start, then click on control panel, then from the options click on the mouse, then mouse properties window appear, dialog box appear, and here we can change various type of the settings, right, regarding the mouse.